So friends, today we are going to discuss about the plant growth and mineral nutrition. In this chapter, the most of the part which is deleted and some of the part which include in that, for example, growth hormones. Okay, the growth hormones are involved in your syllabus. Now we will discuss about the growth hormone. The term hormone was coined first by Starling in 1906 in Animal Physiology. The internal factors that influence the growth are called as the growth hormone or growth regulator. It play important role for the growth of plant as well as the inhibitor of the plant. There are two types of the plant hormones which is seen in the plant system. This plant hormone, it is also called as the phytohormones. Phyto means what? Plant. So this hormone which is responsible to promotes the plant system, and it is also responsible to inhibits the plant system. Okay, for the plant growth, the promoters which is involved, or the promoters means what? It is responsible to growth of the plant, and these hormones, there are three types: auxin, gibberellin and cytokines. And another type of the plant hormone, that is the plant growth inhibitors means it inhibit the प्लांट सिस्टीम, म्हणजे त्याची प्लांटची ग्रोथ होऊ देणार नाही. तर असे जे आहे दॅट इज कॉल्ड द ॲब्सिसिक ॲसिड अँड द इथिलीन. दिस टू टाइप्स विच इन्व्हॉल्व इन द प्लांट ग्रोथ इनिबिटर अँड ऑक्झिन, जिब्रेलिन, सायटोकाइन्स. दिस थ्री टाइप्स involved in the plant growth promoters. According to Thyman and Pincus in 1948, they were said that the plant hormones are organic substances produced naturally in higher plants, affecting the growth or other physiological function at a site of remote from a place of production and active in a very minute amount. Okay, means they were said that this plant hormones which is responsible which is called which is the one of the organic substances, and it is responsible to affect the growth of the plant system. जे प्लांट आहे त्याच्या ग्रोथवर ते अफेक्ट करेल, आणि त्याचे जे काही फिजिओलॉजिकल फंक्शन आहे, फिजिओलॉजिकल फंक्शन्स जे आहे प्लांटचे, त्यावर सुद्धा हे हार्मोन्स इफेक्ट करेल. ठीक आहे. आणि त्यानंतर दिस हार्मोन्स विच इज ट्रान्सपोर्टेड थ्रू द phloem parenchyma, and this sentence which is said through that of the Phillips in 1970. When we see the molecular structure of auxin, so like that of structure which is seen, or this is one of the molecular structure of the auxin. Auxin means what? To grow. To grow means what? This auxin which is responsible to growth of the plant system, so that it is called as the to grow of the hormone. Auxin was the first group of the plant hormone which is discovered in 1881 by Charles and Francis Darwin, and they reported that the experiments on the response of growing plants to the light associated to phototropic response. Means in that what happened, this Charles Darwin which is used the first he was used the firstly this auxin hormone for his experiment. Then another important thing is that auxin which is occurs in very low concentration, and mostly it is isolated from the human urine. Human urine means this auxin was isolated from the urine of person suffering from the pellagra. Pellagra disease caused by a lack of vitamin niacin, that is vitamin B3. In plants, it is synthesized in a growing tips or meristematic region of the plant, from where it is transported to other plant parts. The most common and important natural auxin is indole 3 acetic acid, that is IAA, short form of this indole 3 acetic acid. And the tryptophan is the primary precursor of the indole acetic acid, in the plants. It is the first hormone to be discovered in the plant, and it is primarily responsible for the cell elongation. It shows polar transport, basipetal transport in the stem. And now synthetic auxin like the IBA, indole butyric acid, and NAA, that is naphthalene acetic acid, and 2,4 dichloro 2,4 dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, short form of this 2,4-D. Okay, and these are mostly used when we see the site of auxin production in the plant, that is shoot and root system or shoot and root tip of the plant. It is one of the site of auxin production, young expanding leaves and the young seeds. When we see the physiological effects and application of the auxin, at that time the primary effect in the cell is the cell enlargement. The primary effect of this auxin is the cell enlargement. In the most of the higher plant, growing apical buds inhibit the growth of lateral buds, and this is called as the apical dominance. Okay, when we see the function of auxin at that time, all these are the functions of auxin. First, that is the stimulates cell elongation. Cell elongation is auxin which stimulate the growth of the stem and root. और cell elongation means what? The elongate होता है cell से elongation होता है म्हणजे length of cell which is increased due to the auxin. Then this auxin, it is also responsible to stimulate the cell division. Means through that auxin the cells are divide from one cell to numbers of cell, and through this cell division cell which is increased and it also responsible to growth of stem and root. Then these auxin stimulates the differentiation of the phloem and xylem. Means it is also responsible to promote cell division in the cambium, and it also caused the early differentiation of the xylem and phloem. The xylem and phloem which is seen into the plant system, and due to this auxin it differentiation this auxin which is responsible to cause the early differentiation of phloem and xylem. Another function of this auxin, that is stimulate the root inhibition or root initiation on the stem cutting and lateral root development in the tissue culture. We know that is this auxin which is mostly responsible to elongation and cell division. So it is also responsible to induce the multiplication of cell, and hence it is used in tissue culture experiment to produce the calyx, and it also stimulates the formation of lateral and adventitious roots. Okay, then the auxin supply from the apical bud suppress the growth of lateral bud. Suppress the growth of lateral bud. And another function, it also responsible to delay the leaf senescence and promotes the flowering. And another important function of this auxin, that is the seedless fruits like orange, lemon, grapes, banana are produced by the application of auxin, means induce the parthenocarpy, and it also responsible to promote the root elongation in low concentration and shoot at the high concentration. Means जर ऑक्सिनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कमी असेल किंवा लो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनमध्ये असेल तो, त्यावेळेस इट प्रमोट द रूट इलॉंगेशन, म्हणजे रूट इलॉंगेशनची प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करेल. आणि जर जास्त असेल तर शूटिंग ॲट अ हायर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. ओके, इट ऑल्सो use early rooting in propagation by the cutting. The auxin which is responsible to prevent the premature fruit drops in the apple, pears and orange, and also prevent the formation of abscission layer. The another function, that is auxin, play a role in the elongation of the cell, and it also to increase the rate of respiration. Auxin which breaks the dormancy in the seed and promote the quick germination. One of the function of auxin, that is delay the leaf senescence. In this condition what happen, that is loss of chlorophyll start at the leaf margin, moves towards the interior of leaf blade and area close to when senescence last, and the midrib regions are last to turn the yellow. Means leaf senescence, that is delay the leaf senescence, or it is related to aging of leaf, and this aging of leaf which is